don't.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, Max. Great job.
3, 2, 1.
At the first place, I didn't want to launch it because I was a little bit scared of what would happen. Then I'm like, okay, I might do it under condition. And then I talked to Mom, I wanted to do it. So I got the fuel, I set it off. I'm like, this is awesome.
We just did our rocket launch for Science Adventures Space and Rocketry Camp that we've done in the morning sessions. The camp is actually very, very geared towards intensive science. The kids learn everything from air pressure, weight distribution, to literally the different types of fuels that are needed for propulsion of different types of rockets. You know, we always want to focus on them sort of learning through having fun, having hands-on experience, while still making sure they get the education component out of it. And then they make sure that they can apply it. So it's a blast, literally. Pardon the pun.